Today we celebrate the start of operations here, and this is not only a major milestone for Sila and our many investors and customers, but also for the whole battery industry in what is now the first and largest silicon anode plant in the Western world.
We didn't have to invent something that just worked. We had to invent something that worked in real applications at large scale for numerous customers.
Not mined, it's not dug out of the ground. We design it and we create it. Lithium-ion batteries are used, from grid to automotive to consumer electronics. Any product or application powered with a lithium-ion battery can benefit from Titan silicon. Moses Lake enables us to deliver quality products at volume to our customers.
Sila is a prime example of the innovative spirit that we require to not only invent new materials, but also to scale them.
We have the ability to take on not just the technical challenges, but also the logistics and the schedule of building something of this size.
Today, this facility represents a step change in scale for us, and we have the capability to expand this site to over 200 gigawatt hours equivalent within 5 years.
One of the things I'm most excited about is the future for the community in Moses Lake. Investments in the Columbia Basin Technical Skills Center and Big Bend Community College will make a big difference for a lot of young Washingtonians. Those students should have the opportunity to stay in the community they grew up in with good paying jobs.
Sila is a prime example of the domestic innovation needed to end our dependency and produce high-quality, cutting-edge technologies that protect our supply chains right here at home.
We're not only capable of imagining the future, but we can build it too.
3, 2, 1.